Introducing the Inventory Management Template for a warehouse, a fully automated solution designed to maximize efficiency, minimize errors, and simplify your inventory operations. This sheet brings together essential inventory functions in one powerful tool, making warehouse management effortless and accurate. Let's walk through the features and benefits of this template. Let's talk about Inventory Master tab. The backbone of this template, fully automated to give real-time insights and control over your stock. It captures detailed product information. EAN Code, Unique Product Identifier. SKU Code, Internal Product ID. Product Name, Clear Product Description. UOM, Measurement Unit. Inward and Outward Calculation, tracks stock movements. Inward section, tracks two types of stock entries. Fresh purchase, newly purchased stock from vendors. Customer return, items returned by customers, added back to inventory. Both types of inward movements are reflected in the Inventory Master for up-to-date stock data. Outward section captures two types of stock exits. Sold stock, products sold to customers. Disposed stock, damaged or expired stock removed from inventory. Both are reflected in the Inventory Master, keeping your data precise and organized. SOH, Stock on Hand Current Available Stock Quantity. Reorder Trigger, with yes and no indicator for stock replenishment. Order Quantity, auto-calculates quantity when stock falls below the reorder level. Sale Rate, average monthly product sales. Moving to Stock in tab. Records all inward stock movements. Product EAN Code, SKU Code, Product Name, UOM, Quantity, Price, Purchase or Return, distinguishes fresh purchases and customer returns, Vendor Invoice Number, Vendor Name, Total Value. Selecting in SKU from the drop-down auto-populates the EAN Code, Product Name, and UOM, reducing manual work and errors. Entries marked as Purchase update the Purchase column in the Inventory Master, Returns update the Return column, both seamlessly integrated. Moving to Stock Out tab. Records all outward stock movements. Product EAN Code, SKU Code, Product Name, UOM, Quantity, Sale or Disposal, differentiates sales and disposals, Invoice Number, Customer Name. Just like the Stock in tab, selecting in SKU autofetches the EAN Code, Product Name, and UOM, ensuring speed and accuracy. Moving to Product Master tab. Manages all product information in one centralized location. Updates here reflect instantly across the template, maintaining consistency and reducing repetitive data entry. With the Inventory Management Template for Warehouse, you gain a powerful tool that transforms stock management into a seamless and efficient process. Get this template today and experience the difference. For inquiries, contact us via the email provided in the description box. Thank you for watching our video.